So, the director will first respond to those questions. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Ombati has asked about the goons involved in the violence. Like I said in my address, initially the demonstrations were peaceful. But along the process, the entire process was hijacked by goons. Goons who resorted to looting and destroying public property. The state has the monopoly of violence. The state cannot cede its monopoly of violence to goons. We are investigating those allegations of the involvement of goons. Where a member of a goon or particular goons resort to violence, then that becomes illegitimate and that becomes criminal, and we are going to deal with them. Already we have got information about some of those goons, and that information, that investigation is progressing fairly well.